Ever wondered if that vanilla Visa gift card could unlock your crypto journey on Binance? It absolutely can. Let's get your vanilla Visa gift card ready to buy some crypto on Binance, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account on their website. We'll be using the web version for this tutorial as it provides the clearest interface for adding payment methods. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet and then select Fiat and Spot to get to your main account overview. Now, you'll want to find the option to buy crypto often. This is a prominent button at the top of the page or within your wallet dashboard. From the Buy Crypto options, choose the credit, debit card method. This is where we'll connect your vanilla Visa. You'll likely see an option to add a new card. Click on this to input your vanilla Visa gift card details. Carefully enter your vanilla Visa gift card number, expiry date, and the CVV code. Double-check everything for accuracy. Typos can cause issues. You'll also need to enter a billing address. This should match the address you might have registered with your vanilla Visa card, or a valid address you can use for verification purposes. Depending on Binance's security protocols and your card issuer, you might be prompted for an additional verification step. This could be a code sent to your phone or a confirmation through your bank's app. Follow the on-screen instructions. Success! Your vanilla Visa gift card should now be added as a payment method. You'll see it listed in your available options. Now you can proceed to buy your chosen cryptocurrency. Using your vanilla Visa card as the funding source, simply select the amount you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your vanilla Visa gift card for cryptocurrency on Binance. Start exploring the world of crypto with ease.